Hi guys! How are you today? So it's me again, Nachi TV. So ngayon guys, gawa muna tayo ng homemade cucumber salad with apple. So yan guys, apple and then egg and then yan, cucumber with corn and then that is carrot guys, and then kamatis, tomato, ayan yung mga bombay, garlic at saka lemon, and then may pepper tayo. So yan yung my lettuce choice, that is mayonnaise guys. So yan yung lalagyan dyan. So dyan ilalagay natin yung mga recipe na yan. So ayan guys, inihanda ko yan isa-isa, nililinis ko na para ready to put na yan sa lalagyan niya. Ayan guys. So ready na ba kayong malaman kung paano ito paggagawin? Simple lang guys. So panoorin nyo. So ilalagay nyo kahit saan dyan ang ilalagay nyo. Basta malagay dyan sa lalagyan. So yan, pipino, or in English, that is cucumber. And then, apple, that's apple. So lahat yan, ilalagay mo dyan sa lalagyan or sa Tupperware. Sa Tupperware mo ilalagay. So yan yung corn. Corn, and then what's next? Carrots. So yan yung carrots guys. Then next, tomato. Next is, ayan, yung lemon. Lagyan natin ng konting lemon. Para mas manamis-namis. Manamis-namis. Para maasim-asim, char. Para medyo may lasa. So, ayan yung bombay at saka ahos. O garlic at saka onion. So, ayan guys. And then, last yung ayan, may pepper yan guys. Black pepper. Powder pala yan guys. Powder pepper. Next yung egg. Yan. Boiled egg yan guys ha. Boiled egg. Na-slice ko. Then yan. 2 eggs yan guys. So, yan na po. And then, yung lettuce choice, real mayonnaise. So, yan. Then, ang sekreto din yan, guys, lagyan mo din ng konting salt lang po. Salt, asin, no? Konting asin, and then, konting sugar. Para nam-nam yung sarap niya guys. Nam-nam talaga yung sarap niya. So, gagawin nyo lang is halu-haluin mo lang yan guys. So, ayan, isang real mayonnaise inubos ko dyan guys. Naku, napakasarap guys. So, yan. First time pong gumawa, but comment nila ng family ko is masarap daw. Gagawa daw kami ulit niyan. So, yan yung guys. Konti lang yung ginawa ko. So, ayan, empty na lahat yung pinaglalagyan ng mga ano. So, nandyan na lahat. So,